Golden Technology's popular companion three-wheel scooter has a sporty new look and upgraded comfort features. This next-generation model has a well-designed wider infinite adjustable tiller with a digital dashboard featuring percentage battery life indicator and water-resistant buttons on the control panel, plus 2 convenient cup holders. It offers ample leg and foot room on the wide front deck and full front and rear suspension for a smooth ride. The luxurious high-back stadium-style seat with a quilted diamond stitch pattern and extra padding elevates the level of comfort and style while on the go. The sliding swivel seat is 18 inches wide by 16 inches deep. Durable vibrant red, blue, and gray color shrouds add to the sportiness. Other features include easy disassembly, front and rear lighting package with side reflectors, and new wheels. Standard U1 batteries offer a 12-mile per charge range. An optional 50 amp-hour battery offers extended range of 19 miles per charge, as well as a weight capacity of 400 pounds. The Companion is the ultimate value in a full-time yet portable scooter. Regain your mobility, freedom, and independence with the Companion three-wheel scooter by Golden Technologies. Call AutoMobility store today for more details. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.